Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel Abhi Views. In the last video, I have told you about variables and operation involving variables. In this video, I am gonna telling you about more on variables. So, here I have written arithmetic, assignment, comparison, logical. So, what are these? So, these are four types of operator. In the last video, I forgot to tell you about these four operator, but in our third tutorial, let me tell you about this operator. The operator is a medium through which we calculate on variables like arithmetic operator example is a is equals to 4, b is equals to 5, etc. Now in this video we are learning about the second type of operator, which is assignment operator. So let's start the video. So let's create a variable a is equals to 8. Mm, Today we are learning about the second topic, which is assignment operator. So you will able to know what is assignment operator and how to create an assignment operator variable. So you can see that this is a type of an arithmetic operator variable. It is simply a variable, but it we can also call it as this is an arithmetic operator. Like simply a is equals to 8, and simply we can write here print in bracket a. So what the program will understand, let's see. It is taking time, so no, just give me 1 minute please. Let me mark the answer. So here I have given the value of a is equals to 8, and I have the another command I have given is print a, means that the value of a, I have a is a type of a container. In that container I have stored a number which means 8, and then I have given the command to computer to print a. So now here you can see I have given a is equals to 8, and here a 8, and I have written print a. So now let's create a variable on assignment operator. In assignment operator you simply had to repeat the same variable a. Now a a plus a plus is equals to a plus is equals to a plus is equals to 8. Now let me explain you about this variable. So now here we are changing the value of 8. Here I have given plus, it means I am saying the program to add 8 in 8. If I will give here 9, so I am telling the program to add 9 in 8. Let me give a simple number like 1. So now check the value of a. How to check the value of a? Just you have to simply print it. Print a. Now let's check the value. So now here I have given the value of 8, but why here it is showing as 9? Because after this line I have written a plus is equals to 1, means add 8 plus 1. So the program understand and he add 8 plus 1, and the answer is 9. So this is just a short example of assignment operator. And about comparison operator and logical operator, in next video I will discuss these two topics. Okay, and now let me explain you one more thing, like let me give here uh, after this let me give b is equals to 34. So now here I simply have to give print in bracket, sorry, 1 minute please. Print, you can also find out the percentage like b percentage a. So let's debug this program. So the value of a is 9, Please do not be confused between 9 and 8. We have given the value of 8, but the Python reads the program. It will read this, it will read this, read this, ignore these four messages, and it will read this 8. And the Python program understand that we are giving command a is equals to 8. But after that, we have given also one thing, that a plus is equals to 1. Here we are saying that the value I have taken above 8, I want to add I want to add 1 on our old value. So Python understand, and it will take the value of a as 9, not 8. It will ignore this, and it will just take it as a simple variable. It will just add 1 to it, and it will take 34. So here the Python has given the answer as 7%. The Python program has not added percentage, but here it is 7 percentage, means 934. We have given print b percentage, but means here it is saying that b is 34 and a is our 9. So here we have given the command at find the percentage. So the Python program has given the answer as 7 percentage. If you have any doubt regarding this, you can ask me in comment box. So it is a very simple example we have taken. Now let's take some high-tech example, like x is equals to 8, and in another line x multiply, we are here multiplying, is equals to, please do not forget to give is equals to, x multiply is equals to uh, 2. So here we are giving the command to the Python program that the program has to multiply here, like the value of x here is 8 into 2, m- means 16. Here we are giving command, now the value of x will be 16, because here we have given the sign of multiplication. So now let's check. Oh, there's some error in this. Let me check the error first. Oh, we have not given the print value. Let me give. Now here I have written the print the value of x. Now let's check the answer. So now here you can see the Python program has understood our programming and has given the answer 16. Here we have given the value of x is equals to 8, then x multiplies equals to 2, and print x means 8 into 2 is equals to 16. Now let's move forward. We can also create like y is equals to 5, then y subtract is equals to 1. Now the value of y will be 4. Let's check this also. Let me give print value, print in y. Now let's run this code. So here I have written y is equals to 5, then y minus equals to 1, then the answer will be 4. So we can do this same process uh, and also from thinkers. So sorry, we can do the same process with divide, multiply, anything you want. So for now this much only. In the next video I am gonna telling you about the comparison operator, the using the what is the use of comparison operator, what is the use of comparison and how it is useful, like comparison operator gives us our answer in true and false. So for now this much only. If you like this video, share this video with your friend, family members, subscribe my YouTube channel Abhiviews. Thanks for watching this video. Hope you like this video.